Hi everybody, it's Diana, and I'm back with a really quick Teach Me Tuesdays video. And I have showed this way of mounting a stamp set when we used to have the clear mount stamps. But I'm basically mounting it the same way now that we have the cling. So I wanted to do a new video so I don't have to just refer people to the other one. Because it is confusing because now we have cling mount. So I know I'm just blabbering. But anyways, okay. So now we have the awesome cling and they stick so good to the block. Now I don't know about you, but sometimes I will mount my stamp and I will be very lazy and I'll put it away and I won't take it off the block, for a couple days or more. And then sometimes it's a little hard to get off. So if you mount them this way, it gives you an extra little bit of leverage so that it doesn't stick to the block on the edge. So let me show you what I mean. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cute little chicken out of here. You can see I usually just mount what I need. So I've already been mounting a few of the other pieces. Then I'm going to cut the little chick's sticker away from the rest of the stickers. And then what I'm going to do is I am just going to trim the sticker. So I'm going to go as close as I can around the sticker. And I'm going as close to the image. And what this is going to do when I mount it to my stamp, it is going to leave like a naked edge around the little chicken so that there is some foam that is going to be showing. So don't forget to peel off the white part. So now I have, my little thing all ready to go. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off half of the sticker. And I'm going to just eyeball, put that on there like that. So now I have my little chicken, so you can kind of see. So he's on there straight. Now keep him laying flat. Like don't pick him up because then sometimes you're bound to like bend him a little bit and then the sticker's going to be kind of cockeyed on there. So just always leave him on the table. Then since I only took off half of the sticker, then just peel this up, reach under there, peel off the rest of the sticker. That little guy, look at, he's stuck to me on my hand. And then just peel, push that down so it sticks good. Then all you have to do is peel this off and it's all the way mounted. But what this does is, and it's very hard to see, you have naked foam all the way around your little chicken. And what that does is, when you stick it on the block, so see he is on there. Like they are just amazing. But if I let him sit for a few days or so, it gives me the naked foam, which releases it from the block so that you can peel it off easier. So hopefully that makes sense. And it's just easy to do. So anyways, all right, so that's just my quick little video today. Make sure you pop on over to my blog and let me know what you want to see in future videos. And I hope you have a great week. Talk to you later. Bye.